Continuation of the last video, if you want to start a discussion, this is something that's specific to bundleIQ, and it serves as a great tool to have ongoing communication with your team and keep it contextually relevant to the content that you have here in the note. So let's pretend like this note is an agenda and we're in a meeting, and I want to take notes while I'm in the meeting, so I'm going to leave a comment here and say, this meeting is going well. Thank you at Andres for sharing the presentation. I especially liked the format and think we should use it moving forward. All right. So what I just did there is I started a discussion, and everyone that's inside of this bundle ideas has access to this, and they just got a notification saying that Manaki started a discussion, and Andres got a notification because I mentioned him that he's actually in this comment here. So if there were people actively working with me on this, they would be able to leave their comments and you would see the feed show up right here. So this is a great way to keep your comments and have ongoing discussions about content inside your note without actually going in and changing the note. So that's how you use discussions. Thanks for tuning in.